Hello, how are you doing? Welcome to inspiremeengineering.com. On this lesson, second lesson of complete beginners tutorial, we're going to cover settings, some background changes, adding some command buttons to your screen for and basically go through what are the essential buttons that you need at the beginning of getting started with SolidWorks. So like the first one, let's start by opening up a part here. Okay, let's open that up. All right, and then you're probably wondering why mine is gray, because normally when SolidWorks starts for the first time it's white. So let's look at how we can change that to dark gray. This will only work if you have SolidWorks 2017 and up. Otherwise you won't be able to make it gray, and your command buttons won't be blue, it will be yellowish, but the same, it's going to be the same. So let's look at how we can get this to be as dark as this, or maybe change this background here. So if you go up here to the gear icon, and if you go to, I think is options, right, okay, options, and if you go to display colors, if you go to colors, and if you go here background dark, so if you see go medium, so light, let's see light here, that's okay. So this is basically what SolidWorks is naturally. So let's change it back to dark because I like dark. Okay, not this one, that's the other one, options. Okay, so display colors, right, let's go dark. Okay, so now if you want to change the highlights of your drawing as you hover over something, you can always change it from blue to green to orange. I like blue. And down here you can also change the colors for some other things, like say if you you editing an assembly and you click it, it turns blue. But well, it's totally up to you. You can play with it, and in the end, if you think you made a mess of anything, you just press reset. So anyways, let's look at how we can change this background here. Well, what we can do is we can press OK, right, because I like it dark. You can change here about, you got some colors here in this option with this little ball on this squarish sheet, square thing. Okay, yeah, so you got these normal colors, but then you can click, I don't know if you saw that, but manage favors, right? You can add some more from here. Let's say pitch black is on 3-point blue, and you press OK, and then it will appear here. So then you got blue, but this kind of messy. You might like it, I don't. Usually I just prefer to be plain white. Yeah, right, so that's that. And now let's look at how we can add more buttons up here, because normally it's not this much. Okay, usually you get like 3 or 4. Okay, so you go up here, you're going to customize, right, and then you go to commands, right, and then in the same time I'm going to explain to you what are the essentials that you need up here. Okay, I'm not going to put it up, but I will point it out so you can drag it up for yourself. So let's click one down here, and then you can just go up with arrow key on your keyboard. So in this section, nothing really at the moment, unless you will when you get there in the future. So in this one, yes, so in this one it's very good if you choose this one, if it's not already up there, because usually it's not, but it's good to get this one up. You just click it, just pull it out and put it up there, and it's until it gets a green, you see a green plus, and you will be able to get it up there. And what it does, you click it and you're able to rotate your part around if your mouse don't have the middle button. If your mouse has the middle button, then you will be able to do it anyways. So is anything here that we can use? No, it's already in the surfacing. The kit knit, that's an important button. Oh yes, this one here, normal to profile. It's I already have one up here. Usually I have two, but right now I just have one up here. It's good to get that one as well. It's when it just snaps the part that you are planning to working on right in front. So it's a very good tool to use. It's good to drag that up. What else? Insert supply point is good, and then display control polygon is good when you're working with splines. Nothing here. Sketch picture, usually get one sketch picture up here as well, because when you're working with surfaces and you want to add a sketch picture to a plane, is good to do that. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. Yes, plane, that's very also important to get one up there, you know, so you can create a plane anytime you want. Some people prefer axes, I don't. What else we got here? Yeah, so basically you can go through in the future if you need something and just put it up there. The helix is also a good button to have, and these two is very essential, the split line and the project curve. So make sure you have those ones up there as well. So once you have everything up there that you need, you just press OK, and then you have all the buttons up here that you need. Okay, so this covers this lesson, and thank you very much for being with me, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.